Hi, this is Keyber and he wants to see his curls like this, nice and fluffy. We are going to review his routine and make some small corrections. He puts a lot of product and starts at the root area. Then he puts a lot more and proceeds to scrunch. What I recommend is to lift the roots like this. Put a small amount of product. In fact, I overdid it. It must be half of that. Activate it and start applying it from the ends to the roots and then do the fita gem technique. Shake and scrunch. For the top part, the same thing, but we just direct the hair upwards so that the roots are lifted up and it's nice and fluffy. Stubborn curls are styled with the fingers. Let's see how Keyber applies the gel. He applies a lot and scrunches directly. I recommend applying a lot of it and wetting it. Caress your mane with the gel and then scrunch with both hands. See how it looks. For drying, he uses higher temperature and power and the dryer close to the head. I recommend low power, medium heat, stroking, lifting the roots and then picking up the curls. We are going to take off roots with the afro comb to give more fluffiness. And Keyber, in this step, what he does is he applies a serum and to break the cast, he rakes it. We are going to scrunch and look how beautiful it is. Here we are. We did it. See you in the next video.
My hair has never looked like this before.